The cleaning service.
Good day. Please come in.
Good day. Thank you. I'm from the cleaning service.
Good day. I'm Mr. Weber.
Nice to meet you. What should I do today?
Please clean the apartment.
The entire apartment?
Yes, please.
How many rooms are there?
2 rooms, a kitchen, and a bathroom.
Should I clean the kitchen first?
Yes, the kitchen first, please.
And then the bathroom?
Yes, the bathroom too.
Should I vacuum?
Yes, please. Everywhere.
Do you have pets?
No, no animals.
Good. It will take about 2 hours.
Okay. How much does it cost?
$44.
I'll pay cash.
Should I start now?
Yes, please.
I'll start in the kitchen.
Good. I'll be in the living room.
If you need anything, let me know.
Yes, thank you.
I work quietly.
Perfect. Thank you for your work.
You're welcome. The apartment will be clean.
The plumber. Good day. Am I speaking with the plumber?
Yes, good day. What's the problem?
The faucet in my bathroom is dripping.
Since when has it been dripping?
Since this morning, it's getting worse.
Are you at home now?
Yes, I am at home.
I can come today at 3 p.m.
Very good. I'll be there.
I need your address, please.
Linden Street 12, second floor, apartment 5.
Is there an elevator in the building?
No, unfortunately not.
Okay, no problem.
How much does the visit cost?
The travel fee is $28.
Can I pay cash?
Yes, cash or card.
Cash is fine.
Please turn off the water.
Where is the valve?
Usually under the sink.
Yes, I see it, and I'm turning it off.
Very good.
There's no more water now. Thank you for the tip.
You're welcome. The plumber's name is Mr. Becker.
Okay, I'll wait for Mr. Becker.
He'll call you before arriving.
Good. I'll keep my phone nearby.
All right, see you later.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. See you later.
The moving service.
Good day. Is this the moving service?
Good day. I'm the driver.
Hello, my name is Anna. I'm moving today.
Nice to meet you, Anna. What should we take?
A wardrobe, a table, and many boxes.
All right. Is everything ready?
Yes, everything is in the hallway.
Is there an elevator in the building?
Yes, but it's very small.
No problem. We'll take the stairs.
How much does the move cost?
$110 total.
I'll pay cash.
Good. Is anything fragile?
Yes, a mirror.
Okay, we'll be careful.
Thank you. The new apartment is at Garden Street 9.
All right, I'm writing it down.
Can I ride in the truck?
Yes, that's possible.
Great. I'll come along then.
Good. We'll load the boxes first.
Okay, I'll help a little.
Thanks. That makes it faster.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Let's start now.
The locksmith.
Good day. Is this the locksmith?
Yes, good day.
I have a problem.
What happened?
I lost my key.
Oh, no.
I can't get into the apartment.
Are you in front of the door right now?
Yes, I'm here.
I'll send a technician to you.
When will he arrive?
In about 30 minutes.
Very good, thank you.
I need your address.
Park Street 7.
Which floor?
Second floor.
Is there an elevator?
No, unfortunately not.
Okay. Opening the door costs $66.
I'll pay cash.
Do you have an ID?
Yes, on my phone.
Very good. Please show it to the technician.
Yes, I will.
Is the door standard?
Yes, completely normal.
Good. It will be quick.
The technician will call you, okay?
I'll wait.
See you shortly.
Phone repair.
Good day.
Good day. Come in. How can I help?
I have a problem with my phone.
What's wrong?
It won't turn on anymore.
Since when doesn't it work?
Since this morning.
Did it fall?
No, it was just lying on the table.
Okay. What kind of phone is it?
An older Huawei?
Good. Please show it to me.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'll take a quick look.
All right, I'll wait.
The battery is empty and broken.
Oh, can you replace it?
Yes, no problem.
How much does it cost?
$28 total.
Okay, that's fine.
It takes about 15 minutes.
Good, I'll stay here.
What's your name?
Louisa.
Thank you, Louisa. Would you like to sit down?
Yes, gladly.
I'll start now.
Great, thank you. The phone will be ready soon. Thank you very much for your help. You're welcome.
Calling roadside assistance. Good day. Is this roadside assistance?
Yes, good day. How can I help?
My car won't start.
Where are you right now?
On Linden Street, next to the playground.
What exactly does the car do?
I turn the key, but nothing happens.
Is the car big or small?
Small and blue.
Good. I'll send a mechanic.
When will he arrive?
In about 20 minutes.
Okay, I'll wait here.
What's your name?
Anna Berger.
Thank you, Miss Berger. Do you have the insurance?
Yes, I have it with me.
Please show it to the mechanic.
Yes, I will.
Should the car go to a repair shop?
Yes, please. To my repair shop.
Are you alone right now?
Yes, I'm alone.
Don't worry. Stay with the car.
Yes, it's parked safely.
Good. The mechanic is on the way.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. See you shortly.
At the repair shop. Good day.
Good day. Welcome to the repair shop. What's wrong?
My car doesn't drive well.
What exactly is the problem?
It jerks while driving.
I understand. Since when?
Since this morning.
May I have the key, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. I'll first check under the hood.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Is this your first time with us?
Yes, I've never been here before.
Welcome. Is the car insured?
Yes, it is insured.
Very good. We'll check it right away.
That's good.
The inspection takes about 15 minutes.
Okay, I have time.
Would you like something to drink?
Water, please.
Gladly. One moment.
Thank you very much.
There's a chair over there to wait.
Thanks. I'll sit down.
I'll be back shortly with information.
Thank you for the quick help.
You're welcome. That's what we're here for.
I hope it's nothing serious.
We'll see. Don't worry.
I'll wait here.
See you shortly.
The electrician. Good day. Is this the electrician?
Good day. What's wrong?
I have no electricity in my apartment.
Since when has there been no power?
Since this morning.
Have you checked the fuse box?
Yes, but I don't understand it.
Okay. Are you at home right now?
Yes, I am.
I can come today at 6 p.m.
Good, that works.
I need your address, please.
Station Street 7, first floor, apartment 3.
Is there an elevator?
No, unfortunately not.
No problem. I'll walk.
How much does the visit cost?
The inspection costs $38.
I'll pay cash, is that okay?
Yes, cash or card.
Cash is good.
Please don't use any devices now.
Okay, everything is off.
Very good. The electrician's name is Mr. Klein.
Will he call me beforehand?
Yes, he'll call shortly before arriving.
Great, thanks for the information.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your help.
No problem. See you later.
Grocery delivery. Good day, are you Mr. Becker?
Yes, that's me. Are you bringing my order?
Yes, I'm delivering your groceries.
Very good. Please come in.
Here is one large box and 2 bags.
Thank you. Please place them here.
Would you like to check everything?
Yes, that's better.
Bread, milk, eggs, fruit, and cheese.
Everything is here. Very good.
Here is also oil and a package of pasta.
Yes, I ordered that. Thank you.
Have you already paid?
Yes, I paid online.
Good. I just need your signature.
Yes, one moment, please.
Here's the pen.
Done. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Mr. Becker.
Do you always deliver here?
Sometimes me, sometimes a colleague.
This is my first order.
Welcome to our service.
It's very convenient.
We're glad to hear that.
Thank you very much for the delivery.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thanks. Good work.
Ordering a taxi from the airport.
Good day. Is this the taxi center?
Yes, good day. How can I help?
I need a taxi.
From where would you like to travel?
From the airport.
Which terminal are you at?
Terminal 1.
Are you at arrivals?
Yes, at arrivals.
Where should the taxi go?
To Rose Street 8.
In which city?
In Hanover.
How many people are you?
Just one person.
Do you have luggage?
Yes, 2 large suitcases.
Then I'll send a large taxi.
Thank you. That's good.
How would you like to pay?
By card, please.
No problem.
Thank you.
The taxi will arrive in about 10 minutes.
Very good. I'll wait outside.
The car is black.
Okay, I'll look for it.
The driver will call you.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good trip home.